This is with the light on. And let me turn off the light. And this is without the light. Today we're gonna bring a solar light for outdoors. This is all weatherproof. It lasts for many hours. We're gonna try to see. It says it lasts for 12 hours, so as long as you have direct light and it's fully charged, you're gonna get that. So these are very successful to put them out in the field. I actually have one outdoors that's been lasting me for about 2 years already, haven't changed anything. So we're gonna go ahead and set this one up. This is a new model. We're gonna try to see how it works and what do you get when you get something like this. So let's go ahead and open it up. All right, let's review what you get. First of all, you get the pole. This is a plus. This is to mount it, and they give you everything you need, the screws included. So everything's gonna be included in here. Instructions and a little remote control. If you guys can see, it's a small little remote control. There's an on and off, auto. There's a dimmer and a highlight, and then 2 hours, 4 hours, and 6 hours, and then the dimmer here. So you got plenty of options here. Now let's take a look at the actual solar panel, and they give you a large solar panel in this situation here. If you guys notice, this part right here is backwards. So this is going to be the part that's going to be on the top. If you guys notice, this is going to be on this pole part of it. So you have that option here to put it in there. It's going to seal it off if you want. The screws go in here. I'm going to take a look at the actual other end. Very simple. There's a motion sensor right now. I completely turned it around because of the actual, and it's green, it's fully charged. You could turn it off by holding off the button, and it just completely turns off. We're gonna put all of the LEDs that you get in here, but this is actually super bright. Here it has the actual motion sensor. You can manually turn it off or on with the control, either way. So the system itself automatically has night to day sensors built in already. So when it turns dark, it automatically kick in. You shouldn't have a problem with whatsoever. It has built-in batteries already, so fully charged already. It came like that. It has a heat seat. If you guys notice, I just turned it on right now, and I just flipped it because of the night and day sensor. So you turn it around, it kind of turns on. So hold the power button, hit it once, and that's it. So pretty much we're gonna set this up today and see how it looks out there. So if you guys are interested in setting a couple of these up, I guarantee you that it's gonna light up the whole field that you want. Like if you have basketball outdoors or a tennis court that you want some solar lights, or if you're gonna take it to a place that like a farm or somewhere that you don't have any electricity, this is a perfect solution. So let's go ahead and set it up and see what you get when you get something like this. So as you guys can see, we're gonna put it in this dark area. We want to make sure we put it in this corner because we want traffic to make sure anybody try to steal car or any materials or any tools, the light will automatically turn on. So that's what we're gonna put it out there for. All right, we're gonna mount it here first before we mount it on the wall because we don't really need to mount it. It's not that heavy. You could do this on the floor, on the run, and it's not that bad. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna set it up right there. We're just mocking it up right now. Look how bright it is now. Look at the big difference it makes right here with the light. And there's the remote. We're gonna turn it off. So you guys can see the remote. I'm gonna far off, and this is how dark it is in here. I'm gonna walk in here. Can't see anything in here. Yeah, and then you put it on. You can see everything. Now to set up the motion sensor, there's an auto button here. If you guys can see the auto button right here, off and on button. So off, you just click on it. Then you put auto, and then this one right here. If you guys notice, let me put it right here so you guys can see. So the remote is simple. So there's a couple of tones you can have on the remote. This is actually to make it less brighter, and it's still on. It just makes it less bright. You bring on the lumens, and this is actually to increase the lumens. And like I said, it has a couple hours that you can increase. And this is the off and on button, and the auto. The auto will automatically turn off every 30 seconds, and then when somebody passes by, it'll turn on. So let's go ahead and test that out. If you guys can see it, it's completely dimmed down. It dimmed down to 10%. We're gonna walk in front of it, and look how bright it gets. See, just walking in front of it, it brightens up. So I like that. All right, we're gonna do a motion sensor. I'm gonna get off the car right now. Look how dimmed down it is. I'm gonna move forward and I'm gonna walk towards it. At night, if you're walking, look at how bright it is. I'm super far away and it picked up. I'm actually like around 15, 20 feet away from the light. So 15 feet away from it. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful. And I hope you hit the like and subscribe.